Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. On our previous video I talked about our oyster mushroom that I said more will be coming out. Okay, so right now it was even yesterday I wanted to do this video, but it was getting late, so I said okay, today. So I just want to show you the mushroom that is coming out, but we will not be plucking it today. I want it to mature more so that we can get a bigger size of it. So follow me. As you can see, this is our mushroom. This is our mushroom. I want to wet it. You can see very clean and fresh. So this is our dead mango tree. This is oyster mushroom. So we'll be harvesting it tomorrow. It's okay now to harvest, but I want it to get more bigger. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be wetting it. So thank you for watching. Okay, our ugu tree is getting big. Let me show you the ugu. You can see this is our ugu. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the smallest. Okay, then we have some here. This is, I've already wet them this morning. Then this is our sesame plants. Okay, they are doing very good. I've already wet them this morning. Then where we are coming from, we have ugu there too. You can, I didn't show you that part. Okay. We have 2 ugus here. Okay, we have 2 ugus. They've started connecting. So that is our ugu. Then we have pepper. The pepper is growing. Let me show you the pepper. So you can see this is our first pepper, second, third. Then we have one here too. You can see I will clear up the weed. This is pepper. Okay, this is pepper. This pepper should be Scotch bonnet pepper. So we still have some pepper here too. They are growing. You can see this is one here. Then this is another one here. The goats almost killed this one, but it survived. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please, tomorrow we shall be harvesting the oyster mushroom. Like, share, comment. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Hello beautiful people, good morning. As you can see, we're about to harvest our oyster mushroom. Yesterday we showed you the video that they are growing up. So God's so kind, the rain fell last night. Okay, so everywhere is cool and calm, so we want to harvest it. So follow us. Wait, don't run. Yeah, so beautiful people, this is our beautiful mushroom. You can see them.
Mama,
Please. So beautiful. Manola, say mushroom. Philip, say mushroom. So we'll pick up the big ones and leave the smaller ones. In our next video, we'll show you how to clean up mushroom for eating. You can see this is part of the mango, the bark. So that is where the mushroom they grow from. Okay, I think we'll leave those ones. They are still in the making. Maybe by tomorrow next we'll come back for the smaller ones. By then they would have grown up. I think this is okay. Okay, Philip, let's go. Wow, some snails. Beautiful people. These are some snails. Oh. Wow, I just saw these snails. Look at them. The rain fell, so it's like they came out from. I'll put them beside here. Wow, our food will be so delicious. Wow, another one. Then it means they might still be around again. Okay. Let's see. Sometimes they hang around plantain trees. That is where they like to hide. So beautiful people, here is our harvest. Okay, we have some snails and some mushrooms. Okay, thank you for watching. Please watch our next video where we'll be showing you how to clean the mushrooms. Okay, and we'll be using it to prepare food. Okay, thumbs up, like, share and comment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. If you are just watching us for the first time, subscribe. To subscribe is free. Okay, just press the button. It's free. It's totally free. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Manuela, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Philip, say bye bye. Bye bye.